Huidasource sent me some seat covers so I can try them out on a Tesla Model 3. They are available on Amazon. You can check the link in my video description. They come in 4 different colors. There is black, there's blue and white, there's also white, and I received the red. So when you look at the set, you have 5 pieces for the front, 2 bottom pieces, 2 rear in the center. You have 1 bottom piece for the back and 2 rear pieces for the back. I started off with the front driver seat rear piece. Basically slides over the rear. You have a bit of tight spot between the armrest and the rear, so you want to get the seat in a position so you can slide it really nice through. I open the armrest, I get it really in between the spot. Then I reposition the seat so I can slide it nicely down, make it snug and firm. Make sure the seat belt is not in the way. And push the 2 rubber bands with the ring, I believe it is even 3, through the back gap. So this has a tension on it and is firm on it. Then you can put on the bottom piece. The bottom piece basically lays over, has on the corners rubber straps, which one goes through the center and one goes over the side, so you can tension the bottom piece. Once you have that installed, there's some hooks on the bottom. Make sure you don't hook them up to the electrical supplies. Find some frame of the seat and hook it up there. Push the side of the seat between the trim and the seat so it doesn't interfere with the buttons. Now I was able to tie the straps from the bottom piece. One side of the strap goes around the seat and one side goes inside. Then you can snap them together and keeps the seat from pushing in and out. Then I zip down the back and I could remove the bottom of the back seat. There's one clip on the left and one clip on the right, and you see it lifted up. Now I have to remove the electrical plugs. It's 2 plugs for the seat heater. They're easy to remove. I use the screwdriver, makes it easier, and already I can slide over the backrest. Kind of the same as in the front, just the major difference, you gotta make sure you watch out where the belt goes and where the lock goes, and you have some velcro which keeps it firm and tight on the back. Make the back is really snug, making sure it really fits nice. Put the zipper in, and then you have to push it down as much as you can so it really fits. Then again the bottom straps, you push them through, keeps it again tight and snug. Once they're through, you can close it up, make sure the belt is through. I forgot here the center belt, but I also never used that. Then I could do the left side. Same thing, push it over and that it really closes so it's all really tight. But once you push it nice down and firm, you actually get it in nicely. It's just every time when you fold the seat, you have to push it again a little bit. They all have a zipper, so they close tight. I also can climb in from the trunk, which makes it maybe easier. Once it's all tied in, just have to push it back. Make sure the seat belt is all through. I'm good to go. Now I have the seat from the back. There's bottom straps, the side straps go through the center straps. Just strap that all together. Once I have it strapped together, you just put the seat back in. Make sure don't forget the wires, connect the wires, and make sure that you push the buckles nice through from the seat belt. Once you have the seat belt buckled, so you just push the seat down, it locks itself in. Make sure it's really firmly locked when you have pushed it down. You usually hear a little lock mechanism sound. Once it's pushed down, I pull again the buckles up from the seat belt. I'm good to go with the back. Now I do the front passenger seat, same like as the front driver seat. It slides over, it pushes through the bottom rings, just to keep it tight. Don't forget in the back is a zipper. Also on the armrest side you want to push a little bit through. I like to have the zipper on the armrest side so it's a little bit hidden. Then I can put the bottom piece in. As again the straps which go around the seat to keep it locked and don't move away when you get in and out. Once you have it in, you want to get it behind the trim so it doesn't interfere with the control. And the bottom hooks, they go again into the metal. Centerpiece is also installed. That's really it. Here are some samples. Don't forget to read the description, I got some links. And thank you for watching, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks again, see you soon.